Hi! In front of me is VIVO T2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Apps. Following that, tap on App Clone and click on the gray sweater next to one of your apps that you wish to clone, like TikTok. Then wait, and when your app is ready, go back. So when I check, as you can see, my TikTok app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, go back to the same settings and tap on No Blue Sweater next to your app. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!